All right, let's do a test. Let's redo this. Let's do this. Let's do audio, visual. Everything's working now, maybe. Coach, come back. Yeah, we'll check. We're checking everything now. All good. Yeah, I just rebooted everything on my end. I'm not sure what it was, but it's definitely, I don't know about, my internet connection's great. Yeah, let's see. This is the internet connection. I'm getting 300 up and down. So, yeah, I'm not really sure what that is. We'll see. We'll see. If it comes back, we'll blame someone else. Because that's what we do as traders, right? Let's make sure it's all good. YouTube, man, blame you. Okay, we'll blame you, gaming. Blame Hoop, blame someone. Blame someone. Now, let's make sure we get the top step risk disclosure in the YouTube chat. Since this is a new stream, technically, you got to make sure we got everything working well. Don't worry about the date. I'll fix the date. But I'm wanting to get into a blame someone. Blame someone. Let's get everyone back in. Yep. Let's see. Let's get the music back up. See, gotta test this. Okay, music's good. Trade's good. Everything's good. All right. Okay. We are back, and I am looking to short this market to see if we could fill some of this gap. Trying to get out of the stream early. No, I want to trade it up. I'm going for the octagon. We're doing this octagon stuff, chat. Long 20 minis. That's a sign. That's a sign to short this. No, I do like the shorts, though. I do like the shorts. Let's see if we could play for another trade to the downside. I don't mind scaling into a position, though. We got the bottom of the hour in about 5 minutes. I'll add. I want to add to a position. I want to build a position. Okay, there we go. We got 5. It's the Citadel. Yeah, it's Citadel. They're going for me. Situational awareness. Woo. Blame Citadel. Let's get another push down into these 60s. We got the live account cooking. We got the octagon rolling. Let's get into these lower 60s. All right, I'm gonna take one off right there. It's the low end of these wicks on the 5-minute chart. So this is where if we bounce, I wouldn't be surprised. I don't want to see a bounce. Up 320, nice. Let's get that continuation lower. Situational awareness. Yeah, I'm not able to do hashtag slow markets tonight, though. I do see it, Gnome Trades. Situational awareness. I don't know. Let's see what we got here. Bottom of the hour in 3 minutes. Look at that. Okay, you can't tell me this little pump, this little rally right there, probably got a lot of traders in or out of a position. And then do we just dump it? We know how the NASDAQ could be. It LARPs. We know the NASDAQ LARPs like that. Little pop to get traders in and then dump it, or vice versa, right? This could be the LARP. We can LARP both sides of this market. Get LARPed on. I don't know. Look at this volatility coming into the market. We got 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. We got a little bit of selling pressure coming in. We don't want to upset Citadel too much. Short it. Short it. We're trying. I'm trying. One's man LARP is another man's profit. They found that out. That's for sure. All right. 60s. There we go. We're testing even lower. I'll take one more off. A little bit lower than this. Okay. I'll take one off right there. Oh, let's go check that gap out. Chat, everybody. They were trying to prevent me. They were trying to prevent me from showing you guys this. That's what they were trying to do. They said we cannot let this coach DBA LARP on us. Let's go. New session lows. Touching them. Breaking those lows. We just broke them. Look at that. Look at it, just bang bang. Are we gonna get continuation though? Did we just barely touch the lows and then bounce? That's a rough one. Bottom of the hour is in 30 seconds. Bottom of the hour in 30 seconds. Bingo, bango, bongo. Bottom of the hour is in. Come on, 10 seconds. Someone says this is a futures says this is a dip to buy. Do we buy this? Did we just barely touch the lows and do we rip all the way higher? I'm okay taking on the risk for more of a gap fill. I like to see a gap fill, maybe a test of these lower 500s. I don't think we're gonna fill the entire gap. Maybe we do, but I'm not gonna hold this position that long. Let's see if we get any follow through here. Let's go. Come on. Who's my internet provider? Well, I'm switching internets here in a month. I'm going to have 1,000 upload and 1,000 download here soon. Dakota, hold the position. Hold the line. Hodl. Hodl shorts. I don't know. I don't know. One in the hand is worth two in the bush. No, again. They're watching. They're pissed that he said you're switching. I know. They're like, wait until he goes on air and then pull it. The timing was crazy. Wait. Let's see if we get... We're not seeing any continuation. We just ticked the low. And we're finding buyers. Bottom of the hour is in. We're seeing a little bit. These dang market makers. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, these markets are. Where's my money? Get Starlink. Hey, my internet is working good on my end, so I just don't know. It might be in 0 dropped frames. Looks good for me. Now, if only this market could sell off. Someone says that's cap. What do you mean that's cap? I just showed you the upload and download. Please know I'm long. I might be getting out of this one. I might cut this one short. I don't know. Chappy rage baiting. Let's see. It could be so many things. I'm going to focus on this trade first, though. It's my live account. This is the Octagon. So sometimes you got to make sure. You just got to take what you got, all right? I'm focusing on this trade. All right, I'm going to get out of it. I'm going to get out. We're scratched. We're scratched for the night. Let's see. Let's see what I could do. Let's see what I could do with this internet thing. I'll double check on my end again, chat. No, I got out. We're down $3.75. I'm down $3.75. So we're down a little commissions. We're down some commissions here. Yeah, I just double checked. I mean, it looks okay on my end still. It looks okay on my end. Let's see if we could do this. I'm going to try a couple things on my end. I hear you fine now. Good thing I got out of that. Good thing I got out of that. Someone's saying it's fine now. Make it. You're good? You're good? I will get back in this. I don't mind getting back in this trade. Music. Someone's asking for music. Let's get to 700 likes. Let's do that. Let's get to 700 likes. I'm not going to jinx it. I'm not going to touch anything. But internet is working okay right now. Right here, right now. Like, connection is showing good on my end, so who knows? Who knows? I'm going to focus. I'm going to trade it up. I got this Topstep Octagon to get to work on. Maybe it's the music. It could be the music. You never know. Internet. We're right in the middle of this range. We're right in the middle of this range. We watch. Music makes the lag happen, someone says. I could sing. I could sing to you guys. It's quiet. It's quiet without the music. It's quiet without the music. Just start humming. This is the sound of money. It's the sound of money. I don't know. I don't know. We'll watch. If everything's working fine, we don't have too much longer to go. We could all keep us entertained. You can hear my own thoughts. You can hear your own thoughts. Slow markets without music it's a little different. 400 lot pulled just before filling. Not surprised. This market's going up. We did not fill any of that gap that I wanted to see. That really was the bottom tick right there. I mean, I got out of one. No, I got out of two, right? I got out of two right there. So, and then we just go up. Say good thing about the market makers. Keep the internet going. Yeah. Good market makers, huh? Here, I'll hit the like button. We don't have the... Where's the like button? Like counter. There we go. We're at 167. Someone says, Dakota's going to drop around 630. Let's see it go up there first. This is looking pretty bullish to me. This is looking bullish now. We hold that gap. You guys could put your own music on. I can feel the markets now without the noise. You can just feel it. This feels like Chop Central. Well, we're break even tonight. 2 trades, 1 winner, 1 loser. Down $3.76. Yeah. Working yet. Working yet. We're always working. Always working. Trading with no music is insane. I know. We just sit here and listen to your own thoughts. Hear your own thoughts, your own voice. That I'm listening to myself talk. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird for me. Why trade on Sunday? This is Monday for a lot of people, Brando. It's Sunday night, but Monday's price action. Gonna go to shout out. I've been averaging $10,000 months as a student in college due to learning every night with this class. Wow. That's amazing. Absolutely love that. I'm going to get into a short here, but love that. If you don't mind, I'm going to clip that one up and post it on the socials. That is a hashtag market for sure. Averaging $10,000 a month as a student. Wow. Freaking awesome, man. Even with your classes. Great work for you. Great work for you. It's all you. There we go. There we go. Oh, what's this? What's this? We got to get the likes fixed right there. Okay. Let's sell this baby off. Is it true that I'm 42 turning 43? Feels like it. I feel like I'm 50. I feel like I'm 50. Okay, I'm going to add if we break below 82. I want to build a position. People on the internet always tells the truth. Yeah. And Key will do that. Let's see. I want to put the music on, but it's I'm a little hesitant. We'll see. I'm gonna maybe test the music out a little bit. I want to add a position if we break back below 82s. 600's a sticky number. It's a very sticky number here. All right, I'm gonna try the internet, or I'm gonna try the music. We're trying the music. Let's see if we get filled on this order. All right, let me know if you hear the music. All right, we triggered in. We're back into the 5 contracts. Short. Dump it. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to look to take profits near these lows. See if I can hold a couple on for a runner if we do start to pick up speed. And vice versa, just bail out if we don't see any sellers. Dakota, please don't lag out. I'll try not to. For you. Just for you, though. Come on. And we're getting... What was that? What is this? What is going on? Look, you see that spike in volatility right there? Something's happening. Something's going on. Was there a news event? Was there a headline? Something, a wiggle? We got a wiggle right there. We wiggled. Top of the hour is not even for 15 minutes. It's all again. Oh, we've got sellers trying to step in here. It's Dakota against the markets. Yeah. I'm going against not only just the markets, but we got the internet, we got the trolls, we got the ISP. We got Citadel that I'm trading against, right? I got my finger on the close button, watching it. Decisions being made here. Man against the machine. And my entry point is right in the middle of this range. My entry is in the middle of the range. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Coach Hoop, if you're watching, what am I doing with my entry in the middle of the range? Playing for a breakdown. We're not getting anything. Yen is taking off again. I got my finger on the flatten all button, so we'll see. That's going up, my boy. Yen or the NASDAQ? If this goes up and I lose, I hope you're long. Uh-oh. It's not going up yet. It's going down. I like to take profits in the 60s. Uh-oh, now it's going up. Now it's going up. We're just chopping. We're just chopping. We've been ranging most. Yeah, up and down and up and down. Entries in the middle of this range, so there's expected chop that I need to understand. Right? I hope you're wrong. Maybe we're both right. Maybe we're both right. With my entry being in the middle of this range, I really am just debating just to get out. Yeah, let's get out. I'm out. I'm flat. I'm flat. Entry point in the middle of the range. Minus $67. It's a scratch. This is kind of a scratch night. Bagged, called it. You called what? Stay patient. We might not break out of this range. Why you stop looking at gold? I'm focusing on the NASDAQ. That's why. Gold filled the gap. We could look for... This is both sides. You know, everyone knows I'm a breakout trader. We can go to the top of this range. It's just a chop, no trade for tonight for me. My trade got bagged. Well, I'm looking for a bag here. We're looking for a bag. Hitting the PDH. We are just hanging out at 600. 28,600. Someone says the sales will hit. Maybe. Maybe. I'm curious to see how this gap plays out. Remember, gaps don't have to be filled. Maybe it gets filled tomorrow. Maybe it gets filled during the London session. Maybe it's filled like Thursday at 3 p.m. Thursday at 3 p.m. Maybe this gap gets filled. Put it. There you go. Thursday at 3 p.m. This gap. Market. Thursday, 3 p.m. Coach Dakota says the gap gets filled. Thursday at 3 p.m. 301 to be exact. I don't mind deciding that we could easily take a long to break out to the long side. Buyers starting to step in. Meta up 1.3, Google up 1, Amazon up 1. I might just take this. I'm going to take it. This will be the last trade for me tonight. If I fail this one, I'm going to call it good. I'm going to add to it. Let's see if we could get a breakout trade. If this fails, then it's a session for me. Should have used the range-bound strategy, where the middle point is the liquidity. I am the liquidity tonight. Not like this. Not like this. Yeah, I am the liquidity. Rip. I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it. I'm not seeing the market well. Minus 471 to start the week. We'll see how it is tomorrow. Maybe we have a good slow market sessions without these internet issues. And I'll be on tomorrow morning for fast markets. We'll see. Red on the screen. Not in tonight. And I think that's where we're going to end it. We're going to end it right there. I'll double check the internet and we should be good to go for tomorrow. Red session for me. Take care, everybody. See you.